Are you getting adequate protein in your vegetarian diet? Protein is a very important component for our daily intake. So how much protein does one need? In this video, we will find out in detail as a vegetarian how you can optimize your protein intake. So what are the best foods to get maximum protein for your daily requirement? So how much protein does one need? In a country like India, where vegetarian food is dominant, it is uncertain as to people are getting the adequate amount of protein what they need. So approximately 1 gram per kg body weight. So for example, I am 65 kilos. So I need around 65 grams of protein for my daily maintenance, and depending on also the activities what I do. So if I am working out or if I am wanting to build more muscle, then I will of course need more protein. So the protein intake can vary based on your workout, your physical activity, your age. First on the list is lentils. They are a great source of protein. They come in different colors: green, black, yellow, red. It's easy to cook and everybody can afford to buy lentils. They are good sources of iron and folic acid. 1 cup of lentils can give you 18 grams of protein. Next on the list is legumes: rajma, kidney beans, chickpeas, mung beans. These have got good amount of fiber. They are also rich in minerals and iron as well as the folic acid, and they have got no bad fat or the saturated fat. So 1 cup of legumes can give you up to 16 grams of protein. Tofu is also an excellent source of protein. It is made from soybean. So 1 cup of soybean can give you up to 18 grams of protein. So 100 grams of tofu can give you 8 to 9 grams of protein. Tofu can be used in variety of dishes including salads, curries, as well as stir fries. It is also rich in calcium as well as iron. Cottage cheese or paneer, low in fat and high in protein. It is also rich in calcium, phosphorus and B vitamins. So 100 gram of paneer can give you 18 to 20 grams of protein. Quinoa is a grain-like seed that is considered as a complete protein because it has got all the 9 essential amino acids that we need. It is a fantastic substitute for rice. For people who have gluten allergy or gluten sensitivity, quinoa is a great choice. It is also rich in fiber, magnesium and phosphorus. Seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds that can be sprinkled on the salads or on our food, and these are fantastic source of protein, fiber, and they also have these good fats called omega-3 fatty acids. Nuts like peanuts, walnuts, almonds and pistachios, these are also fantastic for protein. About 1/4 of a cup can give you anything between 7 to 9 grams of protein. Walnuts and almonds are fantastic in that they have these good fats, so what we call as omega-3 fatty acids. Peas are a great source of fiber, folic acid, and they're also a fantastic source of protein. 1 cup of peas can give you about 8 to 9 grams of protein. Lastly, soya milk, which is plant-based milk and is a fantastic alternative for cow's milk, especially for people who have some degree of lactose intolerance. So 100 ml of soya milk will give you about 3 grams of protein. Soya milk is of course from soybeans, and this is considered as a complete protein because it has got all the 9 amino acids that we require.